Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. I want to thank God for the bright morning that He has given us today. And today is the 27th of May 2023. And I'm just going to give you the progress of the project that we have been doing the last time. Because the last time that we did a video, we were pouring the concrete slab. And the wall for the ground floor, that is, was supposed to start in a week's time, and I'm glad that we did start. Stay tuned, and I hope that you're going to enjoy the video. So without wasting a lot of time, let's dive into the video.
Artlist.io. Music.
Today I want to give you an update of the house that we have been building. So the last time that we were here, we were pouring the concrete slab, and it's been a week because when we were pouring the concrete slab was the 21st of May 2023, and today is the 27th of May 2023, and I'm just going to give you the update of how far we've gone with the wall. So ideally we are supposed to do 11 courses of laid stones upwards, laying these stones. Of course there are some measurements, there's some calculations they have to do as they lay the stones.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I've done 4, meaning that we still have 7
Music
more
licensing
courses
reimagined.
to lay, before we achieve the wall of 11 courses. So on average, the masons and the artisans normally do 2 courses per day, meaning that they still have roughly about 3.5 to 4 days so that they can achieve the height that we want. So I hope in the coming week they'll be able to do that, so to make sure that this wall is not crooked. It has to be straight. Yeah, that is the most important thing. So I think today there's nothing much to talk about.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There's nothing much to show actually today and to talk about. It's just that we're doing the work, just arranging the stones in a way that I think the only thing that I understand about the walling process here is just the stones have to be laid in a straight line. It has to be, they have to be laid in a like the wall has to be straight. So at the ground floor we have a living room, we will have a dining area, we'll have the kitchen and the pantry. There's gonna be an office space at the ground floor, and then there's a guest bedroom which is ensuite, and then we'll have a common washroom or a cloakroom for for guests and all that, or for any other person using that will be using this facility. So
Music licensing reimagined.